Good morning, students. In the class 11 commerce, the class of business studies. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about the nature of the international business. So, in the previous class, we have already discussed about what is the meaning of the international business. So, in the previous class, we have learned about what is the meaning of the international business. So, as we know, that's if you are going to make any transaction across the international, crossing the your geographical country, or you can say the limit of your country, you are going to trade. If you are going to make the purchase or sale of any goods or services from any other country, or you are going to sell or providing any services to any other country, or you are receiving any services, or importing any services, purchasing any commodity from any other country. This is called the international trade, or you can say the international business. You can say that on the basis of the international business, so there are some basic nature of the international business. So international trade, you can say, so international trade के कुछ basic nature है. That is the first one is the involvement of the two countries. So there is a first and the most important nature of the international business, or you can say the international trade, is involvement of two countries. There must be involvement of two countries. If there is no involvement of any other country, you are going to sell or purchase any far away city located in your own country, that cannot be called as a international trade. So there must be involvement of two countries. Minimum involvement is two countries. So country means your maybe the neighbor country, your maybe any other country. So what is the expectation? You are going to sell or purchase any goods or services from the other country. So this was the first nature कि there must be involvement of two country. वहाँ पे दो कंट्री का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होना जरूरी है, जो कि पड़ोसी देश भी हो सकते हैं या फिर कोई अदर भी कंट्री हो सकती है कि इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड के लिए दो कंट्रियों का इन्वॉल्व होना जरूरी है. सेकेंड वन इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कि पेमेंट शुड बी मेड इन द फॉरेन करेंसी. कि हर एक देश की each and every country has their own currency for their transaction purpose. So for any transaction purposes, they have also their own country. So the payment should be made in their own country. If you are going to purchase from any other country, or you are going to trade in the international trade, dealing in the international trade, so you have to make the payment in their own country. And you are going to sell any commodity to any other country, you will also receive the sale proceeds from the other country in their own country, in their own currency. You will also receive in their own currency, not in their respective countries' currency. तो आप जब भी कोई गुड्स और सर्विसेज को सेल करते हो या परचेज करते हो, तो आप अपने कंट्री के करेंसी में उस पैसे को रिसीव करोगे, या फिर जिस कंट्री को आप सेल कर रहे हो उस कंट्री के करेंसी में आपको पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द मोस्ट बेसिक इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर, यू कैन से द नेचर ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. So in the coming video we will discuss about the प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. तो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड पे क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं उसको भी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. सो द प्रॉब्लम में बी द लीगल प्रोसीजर, प्रॉब्लम में बी द रिस्ट्रिक्शन, प्रॉब्लम में बी द हायर रिस्क, प्रॉब्लम में बी द डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, एलिमेंट ऑफ फॉरेन करेंसी etc. So in the coming video we will discuss about the problem of the international trade. So that is all for today. So this is the homework for you to learn about the problem of the international business. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you.